Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow surrounded by tall oak trees, lived a small rabbit named Benny. Unlike other rabbits who were content hopping around and eating carrots, Benny had big dreams. He wanted to become the fastest runner in the entire forest. Every morning, Benny would look at himself in the pond's reflection and sigh. "I'm so small," he would say. "My legs are short, and I'm not very fast. How can someone like me ever become a great runner?" One day, Benny met Oliver, a wise old owl perched on a branch above. Oliver had been watching Benny practice running every day. "Why do you look so sad, little one?" asked Oliver with his deep, gentle voice. "I want to be the fastest runner in the forest, but I'm too small and slow," Benny explained. Oliver hooted softly. "Young rabbit, the greatest runners aren't born great. They become great through practice, patience, and believing in themselves." "But what if I never get faster? What if I always stay small and slow?" Benny asked with worry in his voice. Oliver spread his wings wide and said, "The only way to fail is to stop trying. Every great journey begins with a single hop." Inspired by Oliver's words, Benny decided to create a training schedule. Every morning at sunrise, he would run around the meadow. Even when his little legs felt tired, he reminded himself of what Oliver had said. Days passed, and Benny kept training. Some days were harder than others. When it rained, he practiced hopping in place inside his burrow. When the sun was too hot, he ran in the shade of the trees. One morning, Benny met Flash, a jackrabbit known throughout the forest for his incredible speed. Flash was much bigger and had longer legs than Benny. "What are you doing, little rabbit?" Flash asked with a smirk. "I'm training to become the fastest runner in the forest," Benny replied proudly. Flash laughed loudly. "You? But you're so small. You should give up now and save yourself the embarrassment. Some dreams are just too big." Benny felt his heart sink, but then he remembered Oliver's wise words. Instead of giving up, he looked Flash in the eye and said, "Maybe I am small, but I have something you don't have. I never give up on my dreams." Flash challenged Benny to a race the following week. "If you think you're so determined, prove it," he said. Benny accepted the challenge, even though he was nervous. He knew this was his chance to show what dedication could accomplish. The day of the race arrived. All the forest animals gathered to watch. Oliver the owl was there too, giving Benny an encouraging nod. "Remember," Oliver whispered, "it's not about being the biggest or strongest. It's about having the biggest heart." The race began. Flash took an early lead with his long legs, but Benny didn't give up. He remembered all his training, paced himself, and kept pushing forward. Slowly but surely, he began closing the gap between them. The race began. Flash took an early lead with his long legs, but Benny didn't give up. He remembered all his training, paced himself, and kept pushing forward. Slowly but surely, he began closing the gap between them. In the final stretch, Flash began to tire because he hadn't trained as hard as Benny. With one final burst of energy and determination, Benny crossed the finish line first. The forest erupted in cheers. Benny had proven that with hard work and perseverance, even the biggest dreams can come true. One final burst of energy and determination, Benny crossed the finish line first. The forest erupted in cheers. Benny had proven that with hard work and perseverance, even the biggest dreams can come true. Benny is a small rabbit living in a quiet meadow, but unlike other rabbits who are happy eating carrots and hopping around, he dreams of becoming the fastest runner in the entire forest. Every morning, Benny doubts himself when he sees his reflection. His legs are short, and he isn't very fast. His turning point comes when he meets Oliver, a wise old owl, who teaches him that greatness is built through patience, practice, and belief in oneself. Encouraged, Benny begins a disciplined training routine. He runs at sunrise, practices in the rain, and works on his speed and stamina. Despite his efforts, Flash, a speedy jackrabbit, mocks Benny, calling his dream too big. Instead of giving up, Benny accepts Flash's challenge to a race. With perseverance and the support of other forest animals, Benny trains harder than ever. On race day, Flash takes the lead, but his lack of preparation tires him out. Benny, with his determination and consistent practice, catches up and wins the race. The story ends with Benny proving that dreams, no matter how big, can come true with hard work, resilience, and courage. Key lessons for children. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you. Hard work and perseverance are more important than size or talent. True winners never give up. Perfect for children ages 3-8. A motivational bedtime story or classroom read aloud. Teaches values of perseverance, courage, and self-belief. Filled with positive messages and engaging illustrations.